When you view a DNA match, Ancestry shows you how you connect to the match. You share, in this case, I'm sharing 138 centimorgans with John Ruddy. I could add him to a group. If I select this, I can add him to a group, which I haven't done. And actually I will. It's going to be a new group. I'm going to create a new group. This is my grandmother's family. And I've written myself a note about him because I know who he is. I say he's Bridget Haggerty's descendant, a third cousin, and that I've sent him a message. So this much I know. Now, he has an unlinked tree, which is what helped me know about him. And because it's unlinked, Ancestry is unable to determine a common ancestor. If he had linked his tree, they would know that who our common ancestors are. The other thing it tells me about John Ruddy and myself, and this is all DNA matches, is ethnicity. It's telling me that John Ruddy is 100% Irish and Scottish, and I'm 57%. And then I have 42% England and Wales, and he has none. And then the last one is shared matches. And this is how you determine groups. This is how you separate DNA matches. You know, as I look at this, as I scroll down, I'm going to start to know he's not on my O'Connor side. He's on my Haggerty side because he's sharing DNA with all of the other Haggerty matches. So these top ones are all my siblings, my first cousins. My cousins. Okay, but here's Jerry Canavan. Now, Jerry is my father's cousin on the Haggerty side. And there's Sean Haggerty. And all the rest of these are Haggertys. And you can see I've got notes about all of these people and some grouping information. So this is what you'll see when you look at a match.